What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing a desk, and I built one already. I'm going to be recording this one. I built it and a lot of people liked it, so I'm going to be filling an order right now, and it's going to be for a kid's desk for the homeschool. And it's going to be around 6 feet long, 32 inches in height. It's going to have the farm style look, the X's on the legs, and maybe with a V in the back. That's what we're going to be doing. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so this is kind of what I got. I'm not the best at drawing, but I know what I'm talking about. So this is kind of what I'm going for. It's going to have the X on the sides. These are supposed to be it's going to be 1x6. Then it's going to have 2x2, 2x2 going across, 2x2. Legs are going to be 2x3. So I'm just going to rip down a 2x4 to 2.5 inches. Then then got a little cut list going on. 1x4 is going to have 4 at 67 inches. 2x3 is the legs. I'm going to have 4 at 31 1/4 because the top's going to make it's 3/4, so it's going to be 32 inches. 2x2 is going to be the frame, 4 at 67, which is going to be 1 up here, 1 right there, and 1 right there. That's 3. I don't know why I have 4, but yeah. And 2x2s, the X's, I don't have the measurements yet, so I kind of just fit those in as we're going. But that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to do much talking, so just so you guys have an idea of what I'm doing. Kind of just going to put it together and and you always want to check for square. Even though you got it on the right number, which is 2.5, it still can be off. See that gap right there? There's a gap right there. Always make sure it's lined up and square, because everything's not perfect. Alright guys, so I know I've been not recording, but I got the tabletop done. This is the bottom. I just cut some 1x2s or 2x2s. I ripped them down to 2.5 from 2x6, and the legs are 2.5 inches, and I put some 45-degree angles at the bottom just so it don't tear. I use pocket holes for everything. So right now I'm just putting these in. This isn't in yet. Those are cut at 13 1/4. That's the distance from here to here. 13 1/4 is going to go right there. These are cut at 55. These are the runners for the whole table. The whole table's 5 feet, and I just minus 5 inches because these are each 2.5, 2 legs. That brings it to 55 inches. Then I'm going to add one of these right here, 2 inches, 2 inches down, 2 inches down, all the way across there, across here. That'll tie everything together. Then I'm going to put the the X's right here for the farmhouse style. Then I will be torching the top, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the color of the legs yet. So that's where we're at. And alrighty, so we got these put on. Now we're gonna get maybe the back one on. You get that measured out, then we're gonna get the X's in, some 2x2s. Alright, so I got these 1x's cut out and got them marked. Got the lines marked on there. I got them numbered. 1R for one right, 1R, 1R, 2R, 2R, 3R, 3R, 4R, 4R. It's easy to get them mixed up, and when you get them mixed up, they it's kind of hard to get them where you had them dry fit at. So here we go. I got this stop on here, which I've never tried, so I'm gonna try it out. Usually I would do it on my crosscut sled on my table saw, and I like it that way. I don't have a dado blade, but I kind of want to try this out, so I'm gonna try it out. So here's the table. I got it all assembled. The legs, back. Now it's time for torching. Alright, here it is. This is what it looks like. It'll darken up once I get the clear coat on it, and it will look like this. That's what I'm going for. That's what it looks like. There's my daughter.